Biafran struggle has entered a very dangerous phase, Simon Ekpa claims. Simon Ekpa, one of the disciples of Nnamdi Kanu, the self-acclaimed leader of the indigenous people of Biafran IPOB, has declared that the struggle for the actualization of Biafran is in its dangerous phase. Ekpa, who was recently disengaged from reporting on Radio Biafra, made the declaration on Wednesday via a post on his official Facebook page. Kanu, who is facing the trial of treason, felony, was scheduled to appear before a federal high court in Abuja on Monday, but could not be produced by the federal government due to alleged logistic reasons. The development triggered backlash from some concerned Nigerians who accused the federal government of deliberately postponing the trial to keep the fugitive in detention. Simon Ekpa, who has been silent for a while, said he is set to change the narrative of the current struggle. The post reads, "The Biafran struggle has entered the autopilot phase, a very dangerous phase that we have no control of what happened. To your tent, O Israel, I am Simon Ekpa, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple on Biafran restoration, changing the narrative of yesterday." My dear viewers, it is serious. It is very serious. Well, first of all, let me change. Simon Ekpa, permit me to change the topic you have just given your content. You understand? You said that Biafran struggle has entered a very dangerous phase. No. Biafran struggle hasn't entered any dangerous phase. Do you understand? Biafran, the struggle for Biafra is still at its normal phase. Nothing has tampered it. It is only the government that is trying to make people believe that the struggle is actually tampered. No? We are Biafrans. The struggle for Biafran is still normal. It's still at a normal phase. It has not been tampered. And besides, the Biafrans are still very much resolute, pursuing the actualization peacefully. Look, if you want to know that Biafran is at its normal phase, look at the level that Biafran is today. Forget about what is presently happening or the trial. I know why you are saying what you are saying, because of the trial Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is facing, am I right? And also because of what is happening in the southeast. My dear, see, what is happening in the southeast and the trial Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is passing through is what is going to bring Biafran into actualization. God Almighty has looked at it. A lot of ideas, strategies have been applied, mapped out, applied. Yet, the actualization is not, yet Biafran is not actualized. So God Almighty have to look at it and said, okay, let me use this means to get the federal government distracted. So, Nyanko, do you understand? Let me use this to get them distracted. So that is why God actually looked at it and brought this into being. Now you can see that the federal government themselves, they are confused. They don't even know, they're not even reasoning any other thing aside from Nnamdi Kanu's trial. So before you know it, Biafra will be declared. Hapa. I made a statement one time ago. I said that Buhari will be asleep when Biafran will be declared free. Come on. You will see. You will see that what I've said is true. You will see that it will be asleep. A lot of them will be asleep. All of them will be asleep. They won't know. They will be asleep. They will not be aware. They will be picked unaware. They will not be. They will not be. They will not be informed. They will be surprised. Look at what is happening. Okay, you look at it now. As Nnamdi Kanu not gaining support. Nnamdi Kanu is gaining support now. In fact, the support Nnamdi Kanu is gaining now is more than the support that he was gaining back then in the UK. Look at a lot of people now know the truth concerning Nnamdi Kanu's movement to the UK. You know, previously Buhari and his aides were claiming that Nnamdi Kanu jumped bail. He jumped bail and ran. They kept calling him runaway soldier and all of that. But now, look at everybody now know the truth. Those who are not supporting Nnamdi Kanu are now supporting Nnamdi Kanu. Those who are calling him all sorts of names are now apologizing and coming back to be a part of the Biafrans. What are we saying? So I tell you and I bet you that this is what is going to bring freedom to the Biafrans. The Biafrans are going to be free with this. They'll be free with this. The truth must be told. It must be told. Please. You understand? So, my dear viewers in the house, let us just be straight with ourselves. Let us just be sincere and stand upright. My dear Biafrans, I urge you to remain resolute, remain focused and unshaken, because this is the time. This is the time. Nothing has happened to the Biafran struggle. Nothing has happened. You people are still very much on track, doing your very best. Keep it up. I value your movements. I value what you did in Abuja on the 26th of July. I value your style and your character. It is all welcomed. So, my dear viewers, even as I'm not a Biafran, neither am I an IPOB, but as a person who hates injustice and intimidation and value the vision and ambition of the Biafrans, I call you in to come and leave your own side of the opinion of what you think concerning this very issue. Don't forget to leave your comment below the comment section. Click on the subscription buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated each time we upload any new videos. Thank you.